So I have my chicken thighs on the grill. We're going to allow them to cook. I cut them up just like I did the pork. And also in the oven, I have the mixed vegetables in the oven on 375. So it is 163. I want to try to have this ready by 3 o'clock so my husband can have lunch for work. Be back. So now I added my white wine and my soy sauce and my Worcestershire sauce. So now all I'm going to do, of course, is let it cook. And when the meat is done, I will be back to show you how it is. So if you're one of those ones that say, hey, you know what, I don't feel like doing it, stir frying or meat. Well, if you don't want to do that, you don't really have to. You can actually put, you could have put it in with the mixed vegetables in the oven, or you could have kind of put it in the oven first, and then do the mixed vegetables in, or you could have put them both in different pans. This is just one way for me to make sure my flavor for my meat is being mixed real good. And you have the option, you don't have to combine this with your mixed vegetables. You can actually just have it to the side and be done with it. So, but what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this here to where I want it, let the vegetables bake down, and once they bake down, I'm going to put the meat in the pan, and that's kind of like having like a one potluck. Everything is in one pot. I try to do anything where I'm not having to wash a ton of dishes every day. So, again, you don't have to do it. You don't have to put it on the grill. You can actually mix everything together, and it'll be fine. Be back. So, now you take your vegetables out of the oven, and you can mix them up because you want to make sure everything evenly cooked. Remember, we put the onions in now, so you want to try to blend that in as well. And as you can see, I mean, they're pretty much getting close to being ready. So what I do next is I take my chicken thighs. Let me move this. I have another pan over here. So now you take your chicken thighs. Let me move these pans close so I don't have to go too far. And you put them in. And you start mixing that because you want to have chicken throughout your casserole. That's what you want to call it, your dish. So when you're scooping or serving, you're picking up chicken as well as the vegetables. You can see all the seasoning. Blend it up. And I'm going to use this whole chicken, I said chicken, but this whole pan of grilled chicken and put in there because I'm only trying to make one dish, and that's why I can go ahead and clean my electric grill, I'm sorry. And remember, I cook for 2, but if this is well enough for me to share with Ray. So again, I'm going to cover it back up. and let it cook a little bit longer time. So it should be ready about 3 o'clock. Be back. So guys, this is the finished product. It is so good. So if you would like to cook this, then just follow the video, follow the recipe, follow the ingredients. Thank you. Have a great day. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment.